Have you ever wanted all the security of a paid VPN, but, without the price tag? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through a really clever method to get your very own digital invisibility cloak. Let's jump right in. I love this analogy. It comes straight from the source material. And honestly, how perfect is it? Think about Harry Potter's invisibility cloak, right? He throws it on and can move around completely unseen. A VPN, well, it does the exact same thing for you online. It's a simple idea, but it's absolutely central to everything we're about to do. So, here's our game plan. First, we'll talk about what this digital invisibility cloak really is. Then, we'll cover why you actually need one. After that, we get to the good stuff, the step-by-step method, how to activate it, and finally, how to check and see if it's really working. Okay, let's unpack that whole invisibility cloak idea. What is a VPN really doing to keep you safe and hidden when you're online?
A VPN, or virtual private network, basically builds a secret encrypted tunnel for everything you do on the internet. It makes you completely anonymous. And when I say no one can see what you're doing, I mean no one. Not even your own internet service provider. So you can browse, stream, whatever, and it's all completely private.
So besides just wanting to be invisible, there are some really practical, everyday reasons you'd want to use a VPN. Let's look at the biggest benefits.
The source we're looking at boils it down to 4 main things. 1, you just want to stay anonymous. 2, you want to bypass those annoying geo-restrictions, to watch shows that are only available in other countries. 3, maybe you need to access websites that are blocked where you live. And 4, and this one is huge, staying safe on public Wi-Fi. Seriously, those coffee shop networks can be a total minefield for your data.
All right, here we go. This is the main event. Let's get into the step-by-step guide to getting that premium VPN service totally for free. First things first, grab your phone, doesn't matter if it's an iPhone or Android, and go to the App Store. You're going to search for an app called ESET Home. Go ahead and download it. Once it's installed, open it up and start the account creation process. But wait, before you put in your real email, hold on, because there's a really important trick here. And here it is. This is the secret sauce to the entire method. Do not use your personal email address. Instead, just open up your web browser and search for something like temp email. You'll find tons of free services. Grab one of those disposable addresses. That's what we're going to use. Okay, you with me? Once you've signed up with that temp email, you'll see a button that says Try ESET for free. Tap that. Now this next screen is really important. Make sure you select the second option, the one that says Protect Your Small Business. After you do that, just hop over to the inbox for your temporary email and click the confirmation link they sent you.
Awesome. Now you're verified and you're inside the ESET Home app. From here, you're going to go to the Overview section and then look for Security Features. Tap on that, and inside you'll see VPN. Give that a tap. The app will ask how many devices you want to protect, and you can put in any number you want, all the way up to 10.
And boom, just like that, the system is going to fire off a bunch of unique VPN activation codes straight to that temporary email address. You're basically holding the keys to a premium VPN service right now.
Okay, we've got the codes. Now it's time for the final piece of the puzzle, actually turning on our new invisibility cloak.
Pay close attention here, because for this part, you need a different app. Head back to the App Store one last time and search for ESET VPN. This is the actual VPN program. Once you've got that installed, just go to your temp email, copy one of those 10-character codes, pop open the ESET VPN app, and paste the code right where it asks for it. Hit Activate, and that's it. You're in. So you're connected. The little icon is up there. It feels like it's working, but how do we know for sure? Let's actually put this digital invisibility cloak to the test. This is the moment of truth, right? Is this freebie method actually as good as a service you'd pay for? How hidden are we, really?
The result? A 90% disguise score. That is a seriously good score for any VPN, let alone one we literally just got for free.
And just to put that number into perspective, anything 90% or higher is considered a top-tier, really effective VPN. If you want to check this yourself, you can go to a website called whoer.net. That's WHOER.net. So yeah, this method absolutely works.
Now let's be totally upfront about the deal here. On the one hand, you get all the features of a premium VPN. You can protect up to 10 devices, and you get that awesome 90% disguise score. The catch? Well, each code only works once, and it expires after 24 hours. So to get new codes, you just have to do the process again with a new temporary email. So there you have it. A super powerful, totally effective VPN that costs you absolutely nothing.
Yeah, it takes a couple of minutes to set up, and you have to repeat it, but the result is real, actual digital privacy. The only question left is, what are you going to do with it?